Hi, I'm Tim Seal, Head of Construction Law here at Ridgemont. I started in this role in February, and I'm charged with building Ridgemont's full-service construction team. My background as a solicitor is in large commercial law firms and then in consultancy. Ridgemont's construction law team will be built around three pillars. First, excellent legal advice. Second, great service delivery. And third, an ethical, supportive workplace. Let's take each of those three in turn. So first of all, excellent legal advice. Now, all law firms will say that they provide excellent legal advice, but in my opinion, few actually manage it. And here are some of the reasons why. First, construction law is a specialism. It is based within an industry that has its own supply chain, standard form contracts, procurement methods, and dispute resolution mechanisms. It also has its own legislation, case law, and regulation. And if you're not experienced in all those things, you cannot properly advise on construction law. But many firms offer up contract lawyers, property lawyers, or commercial litigation lawyers to provide construction law advice. Not at Ridgemont. Secondly, the law can be vast, uncertain, and complex, and lawyers often allow those things to get in the way of giving clear, straightforward advice. But we can't use those excuses here at Ridgemont. And third, lawyers are comfortable with the law, but they are often not experienced in business, and so their advice can tend to be rather academic and theoretical. At Ridgemont, our advice must always be aimed straight at real-life commercial reality. And now the second of the three pillars, great service delivery. There's no point in having excellent legal advice to offer if you can't deliver it really well. So our administration, our systems, our tech, and our business behaviours must all be very good and flexible to our clients' changing needs. And the third and final pillar, an ethical, supportive workplace. At Ridgemont, we believe that it is vital to treat well everyone that we come into contact with, both inside and outside the firm. I've worked at various law firms, and I've known lawyers at many other firms. And unfortunately, cultures can often be toxic, and dare I say even unethical. In my experience, that occurs for three primary reasons. First, suffocating hierarchies. Second, lawyers reaching senior positions without strong leadership and management skills. And third, a lawyer being promoted and rewarded according to one yardstick more than any other, maximizing revenue for the law firm. But that attracts bad behavior, and it is not reconcilable with being efficient and saving clients money. Therefore, at Ridgemont, we have to work hard to hold ourselves to a higher account. So in conclusion, these are the three pillars around which we will build the Ridgemont construction law team. Thank you.